আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, অনার্স চতুর্থ বর্ষ অনলাইন ক্লাসে তোমাদের স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। আমি মোহাম্মদ মিজানুর রহমান, সহকারী অধ্যাপক, গণিত বিভাগ, রাজশাহী কলেজ, রাজশাহী। আমি তোমাদের আজকে ডিসক্রিট ম্যাথমেটিক্স থেকে চতুর্থ চ্যাপ্টার রিকারেন্স, রিলেশন অ্যান্ড জেনারেটিং ফাংশন এই চ্যাপ্টার থেকে আলোচনা করব। আজকে আমাদের এই চ্যাপ্টারের উপরে এটা দ্বিতীয় লেকচার। আমাদের ডিসক্রিট ম্যাথমেটিক্সের কোর্স কোড 243713। আমরা গত ক্লাসে কিছু থিওরাম আলোচনা করেছি এবং কিছু প্রবলেমও সমাধান করেছি। আজকে আমরা ছোট ছোট কিছু থিওরাম আলোচনা করব এবং কিছু প্রবলেম আলোচনা করব। প্রথম প্রবলেম আমরা আলোচনা করছি, একটা লিনিয়ার রিকারেন্স রিলেশন দেওয়া আছে। an equal to 4an minus 1 minus 4an minus 2। ইনিশিয়াল কন্ডিশন দেওয়া আছে a not equal to 4, a1 equal to 12। আমরা এখান থেকে ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক ইকুয়েশন বের করব। দ্য ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক ইকুয়েশন অফ দিস রিকারেন্স রিলেশন ইজ দ্য কোয়াড্রেটিক ইকুয়েশন। t square minus 4t plus 4. We find the root of this equation. Now t square minus 4t plus 4 is equal to t minus 2 into t minus 2. And so t minus 2 into t minus 2 equal to 0. This implies that the root of this characteristic equation t equal to 2, t equal to 2. The roots are not distinct. Then there exist constants c1 and c2 which to be determined from the initial condition such that an equal to c1 2 to the power n plus c2 n 2 to the power n, or n equal to 0, 1, 2 dot 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 dot. Now we substitute n equal to 0 and n equal to 1 respectively. We obtained a not equal to c1 and a1 equal to 2c1 plus 2c2. Using the initial condition, we get c1 equal to 4 and 2c1 plus 2c2 equal to 12. Solving this equation for c1 and c2, we get c1 equal to 4 and c2 equal to 2. Hence, an equal to 4 into 2 to the power n plus 2 n into 2 to the power n plus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 1 plus n into 2 to the power n plus 1. 2 to the power n plus 1 into 2 plus n is equal to n plus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 1, n greater than equal to 0. Thus we find the recurrence n plus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 1 is the solution. আমরা পরবর্তী স্লাইড দেখছি, পরবর্তী স্লাইডে যাই। একটা থিওরামের কথা বলা আছে। Linear non-homogeneous recurrence relation. This is the form. An equal to I equal to 1 to k ci an minus I plus fn, and fn equal to summation of t equal to 0 to t bt minus y nt minus I s to the power n. When this is not root of this equation, characteristic equation of associated linear homogeneous recurrence relation, there is a particular solution of the form I equal to 0 to 2 pt minus I nt minus I s to the power n. When s is the root of characteristic equation and its multiply is m, there is a particular solution of the form n to the power m I to the power I equal to 0 to 2 pt minus I nt minus I s to the power n. This factor n to the power m ensure that the proposed particular solution will not already be a solution of the associated linear homogeneous recurrence relation. Here is the example. N equal to 6n minus 1 minus 9n minus 2 plus fn, where fn equal to 3 to the power n. Characteristic equation r square minus 6r plus 9 implies that r minus 3 whole square equal to 0, r equal to 3. By the theorem 6 s equal to 3 multiplicity m equal to 2. Solution of the form p naught n square 3 to the power n, where p naught is a polynomial constant. Linear non-homogeneous recurrence relation. A linear non-homogeneous recurrence relation with constant comission is a relation of the form. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, আমরা প্রথম ক্লাসে লিনিয়ার নন হোমোজেনিয়াস রেকারেন্স রিলেশনের ফর্মগুলো নিয়ে আলোচনা করেছি। আজকে এটা নিয়ে আর আলোচনা করব না। এখানে আমরা একটা এক্সাম্পলের কথা বলেছি, রেকারেন্স রিলেশনস an plus 5n minus 1 6n minus 2 3 to the power n square plus 6n plus 5। এখানে একটা আমরা থিওরামের কথা বলেছি। থিওরামের স্টেটমেন্ট হলো an plus c1 an minus 1 ckn minus 2 fn be a non-homogeneous recurrence relation where ci is a constant, fn is a non-zero real valued function supposed are in particular solution, and un is the solution if and only un equal to rn plus sn, where sn is a solution of the associate of homogeneous part. লিনিয়ার নন হোমোজেনিয়াস রিকারেন্স রিলেশন, এখানে একটা থিওরামের কথা আমরা বলেছি। let an minus dn minus 1 be to n plus u where n greater than 1 be non-homogeneous linear recurrence relation with initial condition a naught equal to e naught, where d, b, u and e naught are constant, b and u are non-zero. This non-homogeneous linear recurrence relation can be transformed to the following linear homogeneous recurrence relation. an minus b plus d an minus 1 plus b d an minus 2. n greater than 2 with the initial condition a naught equal to e naught and a1 equal to d e naught plus b. Moreover, if b not equal to d, then there is a constant c naught which is the determinant of the initial condition such that an equal to c naught d to the power n plus bu by b minus d bn. If b equal to d, there is the constant c naught which to be determined of this initial condition such that an equal to c naught b to the power n plus un b to the power n. আমরা এখানে একটা एग्जांपल দেখাচ্ছি। This is the recurrence relation an minus 4 minus 1 8 to the power n with initial condition a not equal to 1. Recurrence of the form an minus d an minus 1 b to the power n u, where d equal to 4 b equal to 8 and u equal to 1 because b not equal to d. Then an equal to c naught d to the power n plus bu by b minus d b minus n. c naught plus 4 to the power n plus 8 by 4 8 to the power n, c naught plus 4 to the power n plus 2 into 8 to the power n. For all n greater than equal to 0, where c naught is a constant satisfying the initial condition. 1 equal to a naught, c naught 4 to the power 0 plus 2 into 8 to the power 0, c naught plus 2. Hence c naught equal to minus 1. This implies that n equal to minus 1 for 2 to the power n plus 2 into 8 to the power n for all n greater than equal to 0. আমরা পরবর্তী স্লাইড দেখি। এখানে আমরা আরেকটা থিওরামের কথা বলছি, লিনিয়ার নন হোমোজেনিয়াস রিকারেন্স রিলেশন an minus dn minus 1 b to the power n un plus v where n greater than equal to n be a non homogeneous linear recurrence with initial condition a not equal to c naught. db uv c naught are constant and b and u are non-zero. This non-homogeneous linear recurrence relation can be transformed into the following linear homogeneous recurrence relation: an minus 2b plus d n minus 1 plus b 2d plus b n minus 2 minus b square d n minus 3 equal to 0, n greater than equal to 3. With initial condition a naught equal to c naught, a1 equal to d c naught plus b into u plus v. Moreover, the characteristics equation of this equation t minus d into t minus b whole square. Suppose that b not equal to d, rn equal to c naught d to the power n, c1 b to the power n, and c2 n b to the power n, where c naught, c1, c2 is some constant. And suppose b equal to d, then rn is of the form rn equal to c naught b to the power n, c1 n b to the power n plus c2 n square b to the power n, where c naught, c1 and c2 are some constant. Consider the recurrence relation an minus tn minus 1 2 to the power n plus 4n plus 3 n greater than 1. With initial condition a1 equal to 0, a not equal to 0, a1 equal to 14. This is the recurrence relation of the form an minus dn minus 1 b to the power n un plus b. Here d equal to 3, b equal to 2, u equal to 4, v equal to 3. We can solve the recurrence by using the technique of this theorem. N equal to c naught 3 to the power n, c1 2 to the power n, c2n 2 to the power n, where c naught, c1, c2 are constant which are to be determined of the form initial condition. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, আমরা পরবর্তী স্লাইডে চলে যাচ্ছি। Put n equal to 2, we get a2 minus 3 to the power n 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 3 equal to 44, and a1 equal to 14, we get a2 equal to 86. Thus a naught equal to c naught plus c1, a1 equal to 3 c naught 2 c1 plus 2 c2 equal to 14, and a2 equal to 9 c naught 4 c1 plus 8 c2 equal to 86. This implies that c naught plus c1 equal to 0, 3 c naught plus c1 equal to 2 c2 equal to 14. 9 c naught plus 4 c1 plus 8 c2 to 86. Solving this problem, we have c naught equal to 30, c1 equal to minus 30, and c2 equal to minus 8. Thus, we can find that n equal to 30 into 3 to the power n minus 30 into 2 to the power n minus n into 2 into n plus 3, where n greater than equal to 0. আমরা এখানে আরেকটা প্রবলেম সলভ করব। Solve the linear homogeneous difference equation n equal to minus 6 an minus 1 minus 9 an minus 2, where n greater than equal to 2, a not equal to minus 6, a1 equal to 3. The given difference equation is an minus 6n minus 1 minus 9n minus 2 for n greater than equal to 2. Initial condition a not equal to minus 6, a1 equal to 3. Then the auxiliary equation x square equal to minus 6x minus 9. X square plus 6x plus 9 x plus 3 whole square. The roots of this equation x equal to minus 3 comma minus 3. There exists constant c and c2 such that an equal to c1 minus t to the power n plus c2 n minus t to the power n. Putting n equal to 0 n in 3 and using 2 we get a naught equal to c1 into minus 3 to the power 0 c2 into 0 minus 3 to the power 0. Here c1 equal to a naught, c1 equal to a naught, that is a naught equal to minus 6. This c1 equal to a naught, c1 equal to a naught equal to minus 6. And a1 equal to minus 3c1 minus 3c2, a1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 6, here c2 equal to 5. By putting this value c1 c2 in 3 we get an equal to minus 6 into minus 3 to the power n plus 5n into minus 3 to the power n greater than equal to 0. Here an equal to minus 6 plus 5n into 3 to the power n greater than 0. Which is the required solution of the given recurrence relation? আমরা এখন আরেকটা প্রবলেম সলভ করব। What is the solution of the recurrence relation? A naught equal to a n minus 1 plus 2n minus 2 with a naught equal to 2 and a n equal to 7. Given the recurrence relation, a n equal to a n minus 1 plus 2n minus 2 with initial condition a naught equal to 2 and a1 equal to 7. The corresponding auxiliary equation x square plus x plus 2, x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Here x plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 minus 1 2. Auxiliary equation, hence the roots of the auxiliary equations minus 1 minus 2. Then there exist b and d constants such that a n equal to b minus 1 to the power n plus d 2 to the power n. Putting n equal to 0 and 1 using the initial condition 2 we get a naught equal to b into minus 1 to the power 0 plus d into 2 to the power 0 plus b plus d equal to 2, and a1 equal to b into minus 1 to the power n plus d into 2 to the power n, implies that minus b plus d equal to 7. Solving 4 and 5 we have b equal to minus 1 and d equal to 3. Then an equal to minus 1 into minus 1 to the power n plus 3 into 2 to the power n. An equal to minus 1 to the power n plus 1 plus 3 into 2 to the power n. Which is the required solution of the given recurrence relation? প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, আমরা পরের স্লাইডে যাচ্ছি। আরেকটা প্রবলেম এখানে দেওয়া আছে, এটা আমরা সলভ করার চেষ্টা করছি। তোমরা দেখো স্লাইডে লেখা আছে ফর অল দ্য সলিউশন রিকারেন্ট সলিউশন an equal to 3n minus 1 plus 2n, what is the solution with a1 equal to 3? Here the given recurrence relation an equal to 3 an minus 1 plus twice n. Here fn equal to 2n is a linear function of n. Let pn is equal to c1 plus c2n, where c1 and c2 are constant, be particular solution of 1. Then pn minus 1 equal to c1 plus c2n minus 1. Recurrence relation thus 1 becomes pn equal to 3pn minus 1 plus twice n. Here pn equal to c1 plus c2n and pn minus 1 equal to c1 plus c2n minus 1 plus twice n. Solving this equation, 2c1 minus 3c2 plus 2 plus 2c2 into n equal to 0. This implies that 2c1 minus 3c2 equal to 0 and 2 plus 2c2 equal to 0. Here 2c1 equal to 3c2 and c2 equal to minus 1. Putting this value, c1 equal to 3 by 2 into minus 1, c2 equal to minus 1. c1 equal to minus 3 by 2 and c2 equal to minus 1. Then pn equal to minus 3 by 2 minus n is a particular solution of 1. The corresponding homogeneous relation is an equal to 3n minus 1. The characteristic equation x square equal to 3x, which gives x equal to 0 and 3. The solution Qn of the homogeneous recurrence relation is Qn equal to C3 0 to the power n and C4 3 to the power n. That is equal to C4 into 3 to the power n, where C3 and C4 and is constant. The solution of the given recurrence relation is an equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 1 plus C4 into 3 to the power 1. A1 equal to 3, that is 3 plus 1 plus 3 by 2 equal to 3C4. That is equal to C4 equal to 11 by 6. The solution with A1 equal to 3 is an equal to minus 3 by 2 minus n plus 11 by 6 into 3 to the power n. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, আমরা আজকে রেকারেন্স রিলেশন অ্যান্ড জেনারেটিং ফাংশন এই চ্যাপ্টারের 3টা ক্লাস শেষ করলাম। এর আগে ইতিপূর্বে আমরা 2টা ক্লাস নিয়েছি। আমরা কিছু থিওরাম করেছি, কিছু প্রবলেম করেছি। আমরা আগামী ক্লাসে আরো কিছু থিওরাম এবং কিছু প্রবলেম সমাধান করার চেষ্টা করব। ততক্ষণে তোমরা ভালো থাকবা, আশা করি সুস্থ থাকবা। এই বলে আজকের ক্লাস আমি এখানেই শেষ করছি। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।